Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and kind of have to cut my day short because I ran out of landscape staples, and I swear I bought 100 of them, but I guess I didn't. So I ran out after my first row burying the line, so I got to go to Menards or Home Depot and get some more. So it kind of screwed my day up. I wanted to finish burying these lines and be done with it. So I will be back either later today or tomorrow morning. And yeah, tomorrow they'll all be buried for sure. And it's gonna look really nice after tomorrow. All the beds, these garden beds are getting weeded tomorrow. So they're gonna look really nice. And then gonna weed whack around the entire garden area, and it'll really open up and you can really see what this is all about. But I'll turn you around and show you how well the lines are camouflaged with the rock. You definitely can't see it, but here we go. All right. And, okay, see it comes up here, there, and then running all the way down, and just comes out. Looks pretty nice, everything's all blended in, and after tomorrow they'll all be buried. So that's it for me today. And, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment if you want, and you can also find Food Forest Abundance Minnesota on Facebook and Instagram under that same name, Food Forest Abundance Minnesota. Going to catch up on my social media. I've been kind of lacking because I've been working so much this summer that I had like 70, almost 75 videos to post on my YouTube channel from this summer. But I finally got them all caught up, I think. And now every day when I get home, I just upload them right away so I don't fall behind. And that's that. But you can also reach me, Travis, at foodforestabundance.com, or my website, foodforestabundancemn.com. And you know, there's a lot of stuff we can help you out with. But let us design your backyard and help you be on your way to becoming self-sufficient. The less you have to rely on outside resources, the better. You know, local food is healthier food. Oh, there goes my phone. And then, you know, next thing you know, you got all the neighbors growing food because you inspired them. And now everybody's sharing food with each other because there is such an abundance of food. Everyone that grows food always has more than they need. But that is why you learn how to preserve food. So at the end of summer, you can can it and you have plenty of food for the entire winter. I mean, I've seen some of these pantries and some of these Instagram channels that are homesteaders, and they preserve and can all their own food, and yeah, it's amazing how much food they have and how much they do not have to rely on going to the grocery store and getting garbage, poison food, chemically treated food, genetically modified food. You know, you can grow medicinal plants and make your own tinctures, make your own essential oils, you know, make your own teas, lotions, soaps, all kinds of stuff. You know, you grow what you need. But anyway, that's enough for me rambling. I am heading back to, oh, there's a little toad. All right. Anyway, have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns. And I will see you later.